The Pagani Utopia, unveiled in 2022, stands as a testament to Horacio Pagani's vision of blending art with engineering. As the successor to the Huayra, the Utopia continues Pagani's tradition of crafting hypercars that are both technologically advanced and aesthetically captivating, design and aesthetics. The Utopia's design is a harmonious blend of retro inspiration and modern innovation. Drawing cues from 1950s designs, such as Vespa scooters and Riva speedboats, the car exhibits flowing lines and sculpted surfaces that emphasize aerodynamic efficiency without relying on excessive add-ons. This approach results in improved downforce and reduced drag, enhancing the vehicle's performance. Inside, the Utopia eschews the prevalent trend of large digital screens, opting instead for analog instruments that showcase their mechanisms. This choice not only preserves the cabin's timeless aesthetic but also emphasizes the mechanical beauty of the vehicle. Every component, from the uniquely crafted steering wheel to the gear lever, reflects Pagani's commitment to creativity and ergonomics, performance and engineering. At the heart of the Utopia lies a 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, developed in collaboration with Mercedes-AMG. This powerhouse delivers 852 horsepower and 811 lb-ft of torque, providing exhilarating acceleration and top-tier performance. The engine is paired with a 7-speed Strack manual transmission, offering drivers a more engaging and traditional driving experience. The Utopia's chassis is constructed using advanced composites and exotic alloys, contributing to a dry weight of just 1,280 kilograms. This lightweight construction, combined with the potent V12 engine, allows the Utopia to achieve remarkable performance metrics, including a top speed of 217 miles per hour. Driving experience. Driving the Utopia is described as an attack on the senses, delivering one of the most memorable experiences of any road car. The V12 engine provides violent bursts of acceleration, while the manual transmission offers a tactile connection between driver and machine. However, the immense power and rear-wheel drive layout demand respect and skill from the driver, especially on slick or uneven road surfaces. Exclusivity and pricing. The Pagani Utopia is priced at approximately $2.5 million, reflecting its exclusivity and the luxury it offers. Production is limited to just 99 coupes, all of which have been claimed by discerning collectors and enthusiasts. In July 2024, Pagani introduced the Utopia Roadster, featuring a removable carbon fiber hardtop and limited to 130 units, further emphasizing the model's exclusivity. Conclusion. The Pagani Utopia represents a culmination of Horacio Pagani's dedication to blending artistry with engineering excellence. Its design pays homage to classic aesthetics while incorporating modern aerodynamic principles. The powerful V12 engine, combined with a manual transmission, offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and engaging. With its limited production and bespoke craftsmanship, the Utopia stands as a symbol of automotive artistry and performance, appealing to those who seek a hypercar that transcends mere numbers and delivers an emotional connection.